Alright, this is for you to be able to submit drawings. Couple reasons. The end of the marking period is quickly approaching. Second, some of you won't be here before the end of the marking period again to submit drawings. And third, and not your fault, the printer in the classroom is currently inoperable, and that is no fault of your own. So yes, this will take a few minutes on your end, but I will take care of all the printing on my end. So the drawings that you have not submitted yet, what we're going to do is we are going to convert these to a PDF. You're going to save that file somewhere, maybe on your desktop because it's only for a short term. And then you're going to email me those PDFs as an attachment. I will open them, print them, and grade them, and then provide you feedback when you're in class. So for the first marking period, I have all 6 drawings open, and I'm going to go through this process to really hopefully show you how painless this can be. A few minutes on your end, more time on my end. So as you have the drawings complete, and this is going to be the same for every single one, but I'm going to put myself in your situation. I'm going to output this drawing as a PDF. I am just going to hit OK, and I am going to save this just to my desktop. If you're saving them to a USB, fine, save them to a USB. I'm not even going to change the name. So there's the first one. I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to output this as a PDF, and I'm going to save it to my desktop. There's 2. Same thing. PDF to my desktop. I have 1, 2, now I have 3. Output as a PDF to my desktop. 2 more here. Output to my desktop. And then my final one. Maybe you don't need to do this for all of them. Maybe you have some that have been printed and graded already. You do not have to do all of these. I don't want to have to grade them twice. But I now have those 6 drawings in PDF form here on my desktop. I'm going to take my email, and you're going to send me an email. I'm going to make a new email. I'm going to send to myself. Drawings, and I'm going to attach files. I'm going to attach the PDF files from my desktop. Selected all 6. I'm going to insert all 6. And I'm then going to send this. On my end, when I get the email, I will then open them up and print them, which will look like this. I'll open up each one. So now I have all of them open as a PDF, and I will then print these off. So, if you have not submitted a drawing, the end of the marking period is approaching, the fact that the printer in the classroom is not working, that is not your fault. But what? Less than 5 minutes, I've sent all 6 drawings by email to me, open them, and I'll print them and grade them.